pre-market analysis here for Tuesday. Daily time frame here, very bearish candles. So I've marked out the low of day here, marked out this daily low here. But looking at the weekly time frame, we're actually delivering out of a weekly gap, which is sort of making us be bullish a little bit. No great bullish targets, but we do have some highs up here and an already gap unfilled, so we could see going on up to there. But I'll quickly show on the ES here, as we do have a pretty big SMT. ES just came all the way up and it's up into the higher time frame gaps above, whereas NQ it's very uncorrelated and still all the way down here. So I'm still thinking NQ is looking pretty bearish then, so maybe we want to see price come up here and deliver us down lower. We've got a 15-minute gap down here. We'll see how price reacts to that. Also drawing out this LLR on the 1-minute chart, which is kind of smashing through right now. We have market open in a couple of minutes here, and I think I'm going to be bearish, but we'll see how it opens. Alright, so I like this 30-second a lot better. It's kind of like a confirmation short. It's not great, but we did pump up inverse most of this here leg. Yeah, 1 minute inverse, and then retrace down a little bit, respect this. So I do want to see this go back up, but we also are rejecting off the 1 minute here now, 3 minute, and a 5 minute. So for us to actually be properly bullish here, they all do need the inverse. A good risk reward entry from me right now though is this 30-second here. Will we get it? Will we ship back down? Don't know. Okay, possible entry here. This 30-second. There it is. Oh my god, I missed the entry and that's away. So annoying. It's like a 50-point hard stop as well. See if we can get an entry back here. Alright, I'll take it there. That'll be alright. Slap the hard stop down here, and hopefully we don't run straight for it straight away, which we currently are. There we are, stopped out straight away for $200. So yeah, we're still bearish here. This is not bullish at all. Yeah, that's unfortunate. But yeah, we just need to see everything inverse. Like we're just rejecting out of these bearish gaps here and sending us lower. So we're just going to wait for a bit of bullish structure here before we long, or maybe just it's another bearish trend day and we'll keep shooting down. Looking to enter this 30-second short here. See if we get the close. Close there. Stop out's going to be a close back below this 30-second, and break even is going to be up here with this wick, targeting the 15-minute up above. Okay, so we have filled in this 30-second gap. Once we go up and tap this high again, there now, I'm going to break even. Because we should not retrace from there. Okay, now we're looking for 800, which is pretty close. Right here. And break even. So, not sure if we are quite bullish yet, but the reasoning for taking this play is we've just been sort of stalling in this range, picking up the structure since macro, and of course 10 a.m. reversal time, we do start coming up a little bit bullish. And if we are bearish, going to continue bearish, we probably would like to see this 15-minute be tapped into before we continue down bearish. But it doesn't look like that's happening. It looks like we're just going to fly down now, probably inverse this 30-second now, and maybe continue down. Okay, so the play for today was this short market open up here. we can tell obviously the higher time frame was really bearish, but even just this wick is just crazy bearish. We just flat market open and respect bearish gaps. You could have just shorted on this candle close and would have been mint. You would have called an amazing short, but the actual play was this. So coming down here after market open, and we inverse just barely inverse this 5-minute gap here, and then the next 5-minute candle retraces all the way back up to this 1-minute gap. So entry around here, when it taps into the 1-minute gap, the stop out would have been a close above the 1-minute gap, but that did not happen. We just shot straight down to, I'd marked out this daily low here, which also happened to be, I think it was the monthly, yep, the monthly. So yeah, great short, 4.2 RR, and that was the play for the day. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch this, but if you did catch this, congratulations to you.